charts in Excel. See, here I'm having the data with the name, with the entries, you can say, that is the student name, class, roll number and marks. So I just want to make a line chart of this particular like entries, or I just want to make a chart of student name and marks. So for that I need to first select the student name all, and by control key you can select the marks also. Okay, just select the student name and the marks. Okay, after selecting these two fields, just click on the insert, and here you are having the option of charts here. So this is the option for line chart. Just click on it, and you can see different formats are there. So it will show you accordingly which format you will select, in the 3D format or in 2D area. So according to the format selected by you, it will show you the results. So see, when I click on a particular format, it will show the results in this way. Just click this graph and drag some other place through this data. So now you can see this is the line chart of the student name and the marks. You can see here these are the options, or these are the marks showing in the line form, and here you can perform, like you can change the design of this chart as well. So this option, so various options are there, so you can try these options. See, other options are also there. So which option you want to apply, you just need to click over there. Another thing about charts is that here we are having some options. So this plus will show the chart elements, that is, you need to add title or some labels. So for this you can click on this plus button. So you can see now axis and chart title is showing and grid lines are showing. Suppose you don't want grid lines, so it will remove the grid lines from here. Suppose you want to show legends, so it will show that as I am only showing the marks. Suppose you want to give labels, that the marks of these points, so for that we have data labels, data tables. So various options are there, that on basis of marks and name I have make this graph. So from here you can select the chart elements. Then again the second option is chart styles. So different options are there. In fact, these options can come from here also. And the third one is the filter option. So you can see, as now all options are selected, that's why it is showing the all options. Suppose you don't want to see all options or all details of all students, then you can do from here. Just uncheck that particular data. So this is the line chart. Same way, if you want to insert pie chart, so for that you just need to select the data, that student name and marks, go to insert, and again the pie chart. Here also we are having the options of 2D, 3D. So you can select the option that is the 2D. Just click over here. So just move the graph to some side, and here also you can see the three options which we have discussed in line chart are also present here. From here you can add chart elements, and this is the various designs available over here, and last is the filter option. So these are the two types of charts. We have many types of charts according to the requirement.